How to download Capcut Pro version on Windows PC. Hey everyone, in this video I show you how to download the Capcut Pro version on your Windows PC. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your Windows PC like Chrome, Firefox or Edge, or like I'm using right now, Brave. Visit the official Capcut website by typing capcut.com in the address bar. Make sure to only download from this official site to avoid any security risks. Once on the Capcut homepage, look for the download button or section dedicated to the PC version. Click on it to access the download page, and then select Capcut Pro version if available, or download the latest standard version and follow the steps to upgrade to Pro. Click Download for Windows to get the installer file. Once the download is complete, open the installer file from your Downloads folder. Follow the installation prompts to install Capcut on your PC. This usually takes just a few minutes. After installation, open Capcut and log in with your account. To access Pro features, you may need a subscription or to link to an upgraded account, so check the Capcut settings to confirm your Pro access. And there you have it, you're now ready to use the Capcut Pro version on your Windows PC. So if this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.